My name is Gabe Cruz. This is Carlos Lastra. Welcome to MTV Cribs. This is Carlos's new house.
Yes. As you can see, I have a black lining, black tile, because I just love that color, and it's Halloween theme anyways, so I'm gonna get in.
Get on in.
Enjoy the ride.
Good night.
Oh, God.
Perfect, that's what we need.
I told you guys not to dig up any coffins this Halloween, and you had to do it again. Now I know why you wanted to find shovels.
We bought this for you.
I don't trust you.
Go ahead, check it out.
So
I hope I got it.
freakishly scary.
Get in there.
Should we play You Make It, We Bury It Alive?
This just got dark. It got really dark.
Hey, let's drill it shut.
So scary, so scary. Ah! Is somebody standing on it? Oh no! All right, let me out.
That was the scariest thing of my entire life. Can I just be in there and you guys can skate it off the 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that.
Dang.
Wait, are we supposed to put trucks on this though?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. All right, let's flip it over.
Is this You Make It, We Skate It?
Someone made this, not for us. Someone just made this.
No. How did we get this?
I found it on Craigslist.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow.
Line up the whole thing.
I'm gonna bury that monkey by the end of this video. At least it's an easy build.
Let's make sure there's not screws sticking through so someone can be in there.
I'm not
too
making
late.
sure of anything.
It's like kayak all over again.
A coffin is just a kayak for dead people.
Wait.
You look like an A1 pro right now.
Dude.
Not only will you build a house, but after the homeowners die, you will build their coffin.
I don't know that I want to be.
Dude, this is so satisfying. This thing's kind of dusty. It's got me coughing.
Got him! You want to get in there just once?
No,
It's
absolutely
really
not.
scary.
Dude, it's if you're claustrophobic, it's the worst thing ever.
All right, now we flip it over.
I hope that by the end of this video, I'm dying with laughter. Oh! I think that was a good idea.
Oh, yeah.
Why does it have a liner?
I think it's because there was a dead body in there before this.
I think he's like, yeah, made with real
People.
I don't need sunglasses when I'm dead.
Yes, you do.
Oh, dude, this sucks.
Hang on, I got an idea.
Oh no!
No! Push him! Oh no! Oh!
The manual pad.
Oh!
It's alive.
No steering?
Sucks. I kept hitting my elbow on this thing.
I'll take a stroll. I got a camera. I'm living the life. You know, it's not that bad. The only thing I for sure want to do in this video is have someone go in it and push them up the wall ride.
You should get in it because you're injured, so you can't.
Oh yeah, exactly. We can use you.
It's gonna be a no for me, dog.
Look, Aaron doesn't want to go in it anymore.
Just lay it on me, bro.
Spot us.
All right, let's push them.
Hurts so bad.
Aaron. What? How is it in there?
It's terrifying.
No, why did that hurt though? What'd you do?
I don't know. Hit my head on everything.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, don't sit on top of me.
Oh no!
Ow! Everything hurts. Everything hurts. Just leave me in here and bury me.
Dude, you guys almost broke the hoop.
I knew the wall was coming. I could feel it.
Oh my god. Fetty and McNugget were both on top of you on that one.
It's terrifying.
If it flips over, I
If
swear.
it flips over.
I swear.
It flips over. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Well, luckily it's so heavy, I don't think you're gonna go that high up.
Yeah, not high.
He's going up to the 6-foot mark at least.
Let me do something for you real quick. Just hold up.
Wow.
All right, here. Put this against here.
I'll just clamp to the side, okay?
He looks like a newborn baby in the little nursing stations at the hospital. That's what he looks like. Full send!
Ash really caught him.
Dude, he just got ran over by a coffin. Oh my god. Are you okay?
I'm fine, dude. Straight up clamp down on the knees.
Dude, what'd it feel like?
It's like a roller coaster, but you can't see what you just feel yourself go like, oh, I'm full on vertical right now.
It didn't even make it up that high.
Aaron, can you do it?
In there?
Yeah.
No.
Please.
No.
Carlos, are you okay?
Okay. Oh, Carlos! Mini ramp?
Aaron, you are getting in there.
I already got in there.
Yeah, but you have to do another
I did
trick.
my time. That's crazy. Oh no, that's terrifying. How did you do that? Oh yeah.
Hey, Aaron, go sit in there.
I love how everything we do, it's, hey Aaron, sit in there. Wait. Oh! Ow! Just kidding. First try! Is that all you got?
Oh no! Oh no!
Please don't tip me off the edge. Try your own walk shot.
Oh my god! How is it in there? Comfy?
I'm getting very used to it. Yeah, I think I might just sleep in this at home.
Oh!
That fully crushed my sternum.
Oh! Oh no!
Maybe I should get out of here now.
No, you're fine. Whoa!
I don't know what that was, but I like it.
180. Oh!
Higher.
Kickflip to nut smash. I've got splinters in every part of my body.
What in the world?
Last try, I'm getting out of here.
That trick was bananas.
Wow!
Got him!
Whoa!
The world just happened. You wanted this.
Just knock the wind out.
He's fully broken. It's done. All right, hashtag notification squad. Leave it in the comments below. Make sure you are subscribed, that you have your notifications turned on, and that you have liked and shared this video. And then count how many tricks were done on the coffin in the mini ramp. Let's go.
Go down to 3?
Yeah. What do you mean slow? I don't know. You want it to go fast.
No, you gotta full send it.
I don't know, dude. I'm gonna die.
Just launch him, Aaron.
Collectors love this farm wood.
5 stair?
5 stair it up. Wow, minimal damage to the wall. Look at that.
Yeah, not bad.
5 stair time.
I don't know. I can't stop shaking. That was the scariest thing ever, dude.
That was scary?
5 staired up.
That was just a 3 stair. Now you're going up to 5 and then the Braille drop. I don't know why you're scared.
The screw just impaled you.
Good thing it's not rusty at all.
Oh yeah, he just got 4 diseases.
We We can't make him do this. This is dead. This is dead.
You just gotta push him fast enough. We'll have 2 people push him.
Just go slow, please.
Go slow?
You know how? Okay, you guys
If we
weren't
go
in that
slow-
experience. That was the scariest thing I've ever done.
You're
in my
gonna
life.
clip if you
Yeah.
go slow though.
You don't want to clip it.
You wanna clear it. Yeah, this is a little safer. Hey, there's a penny in there.
Heads down, dude. That means bad luck.
We're not going to push you off right now. But tell us,
Are you kidding me?
Right to
Just let it ride down.
You want to ride down it, Firecracker?
Yeah, let's try it out. This
Huh?
is gnarly. This is like the scariest I've ever been.
Oh, you got this.
Yeah. Hey, you're golden.
See, so you had to go fast.
Dude, I don't know.
Just got it.
The only way I'll do this, we take that bank and we recreate that drop.
Here, I got you. We'll wax it a little bit. There we go.
Oh.
Now you're good.
Yes.
I'd rather take the drop than try to gap a 5-stair.
He'd rather build a drop and just go off a straight drop instead of gapping the 5.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I can understand that. Yeah.
Clip, I'm dead.
We'll launch it off the 5 with nobody in it, and then launch it off the Braille drop.
Oh my goodness!
Y'all almost destroyed my car.
No, thank you.
Fully cleared, would have rolled away fine.
Yeah, you would have landed
Easily.
it. Would have been the best.
That's not even
best-
close to the scariest thing you would have done here.
Be my guest. Okay, I'll do it then. Let's go.
I think you got it.
Let's do it.
Yeah, this is a really giant skateboard.
We just broke it into a
If we put
skateboard.
Had your coffee.
we could put a sheet of grip tape on there, and then you could just stay on the grip tape.
I already know the difference.
Yeah. I love you, Carlos.
Well, I mean, how fast you guys
Full,
want to
just
go?
go fast.
Just full send.
I mean, he needs to clear.
He's got to clear it.
Full send? You're sure about this?
No, I'm not. Let's
Rest in
just
peace,
go.
Carlos.
I don't care what you say. This is the scariest thing I've done here.
Let's see.
Full send?
I guess.
1, 2, 3.
I told him it was going to be okay.
Are you serious?
I told him it was going to be okay.
We fully landed it.
You almost got sliced in half. Hey, you got one more try in you, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, a truck fell off.
Why?
Was that as crazy as
Yes.
you thought it was?
Yes. I mean, I cleared it, so I got like some satisfaction knowing that on this next try I'm gonna be more committed. But seriously, don't do this at home, guys. This is dumb.
I don't think it's gonna go.
Let's get it.
1, 2, 3.
I'm alive.
Wow. Not only did we lose another truck, but we broke a Thunder.
Thanos.
We broke the Thanos truck.
No. Oh man, this is the best trucks we have here. I think the last one we'll just count it because that's petrifying. So. There you go.
All right, guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. We had an absolute blast making it. Remember, Notification Squad, give us your numbers in the comments below. Make sure you do the comment, have the notifications turned on, like and share the video. What's this? This thing really took a beating, like a full-on beating. This may or may not have been the scariest thing that we've ever skated on many various levels. Hope you guys are having an awesome Halloween. Make sure to go to brailleskateboarding.com to get everything you need to learn how to skateboard. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.